Ni mujumbe w'ensemo bunge West Mugirango Mheshimiwa Steve Mogaka nigamambia rero batarira chinsemo AOAO echumurai bwense William Ruto harachekwaneke gutarira ritukoria ankyo chinyomba cy'uburaro cy'aborkiwa be eskuru ya KMTC negati chiri umurai bwense haratarire kurigereria ubwagachi bwaye hase chinyomba cy'uburaro cy'aborkiwa ekirachekwe cy'aborkiwa chimisano 50 n'etatu nigo bono Amariganio onsi haenekiwe bosio BW'ETARO yaye umurai bwense County ya Nyamira.
It is actually happening, and across the country the government is going to construct more than 57 hostels for KMTC students, because we do not want our KMTC students to have problems when they get to facilities, good facilities for learning. We have the skills lab, but we do not have accommodation for them. Again, that sense of mental, comfort is very, very important for any student who is in school. So we are happy that KMTC is going to enjoy the new hostels, and especially here in Nyamira County. This is one of the flagship projects that His Excellency William Samoei Ruto has started in this country. Issues of infrastructure and housing being part of the agenda of the bottom-up economic transformation. A construction here will see an increase with students from around here. It will also see an increase in terms of shared amenities, amenities like shopping mat, lighting, and we also have a very ambitious project around the last mile for electrification. So Nyamira people, umebarikiwa sana sana. And here Mheshimiwa, very hard-working Mheshimiwa. I don't think this would have happened if we did not have the coordination between my State Department and the Member of Parliament for this area, and of course His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya.
I just want to thank His Excellency the President and the Ministry of Health, particularly PS Mdoni, for coordinating and accepting our proposal to be among the top layer beneficiaries of the development of housing for our students at the KMTC. We really are focused that West Mugirango, being on the first lane, we must be the first beneficiary in everything that the government is bringing as a program. As you're aware, this hostel will house 580 students, and we are now prepared to lobby government and Madam PS. When you see that, kindly receive it favorably, because we want a modern tuition and administration block for this college. Because you are aware, we are land constrained in Nyamira, and the only way to take advantage of the little space that we have is to go skyward. And I do hope that our proposal now to get one of the largest and best medical school, KMTC Nyamira, I do hope that in this last budget before we come for the election, God will give us favor. Watu wa Nyamira, tukuje wote, tupokee rais kwa hii miradi tumeanzia. Hii ni kionjo tu. Sasa hivi mnajua tuko na infrastructure fund, mnajua tuko na railway development levy fund. Watu, hebu tujenge Kenya, and when we do our school down here, I will have been the first one in West Mugirango to realize the president's dream.
Manchumurigeria to tigarita se county